Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, I am going to show you how to list and sell items on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're looking to declutter, make some extra cash, or start a small business, Facebook Marketplace is a great platform to use. What is Facebook Marketplace? First off, for those who aren't familiar, Facebook Marketplace is a feature within the Facebook app that allows you to buy and sell items locally. It is easy to use and connects you with buyers and sellers in your area. Now open your Facebook app. In your Facebook profile, you will locate the Facebook Marketplace icon at the top here, and if you cannot find it here, you go through this place, the three dots at the right corner of your screen. Open it, then look for the marketplace. Here, tap on it. It will bring you here where you will see a lot of listed items. All you have to do is to locate the sell button. You locate the sell button at the top here. Tap on it. Then here you select the category of your listing. Then it will bring you to this page where you are to fill all the details of your items, the products you want to list, starting from the photos. In the photo part, you can add up to 10 photos. You tap on it, select the pictures you want to add. I'm selecting the pictures I want to use at the moment. So you can select up to 10. Then the next thing is to add your title. That is the name of the product you are listing. Silver Crest blender. Then the next thing is to add the price of your product. The next thing is to select the categories. It has automatically selected the categories for me already, but if it's not same for you, you can just tap on this and you select the categories where your product belongs, whether home and garden, entertainment, clothing and accessories, family, electronics, hobbies, classified. Just select one that belongs to your product. Now the condition, you should tap here, you select the condition of your product, if it is a new item you are selling or used item but it's like new, or used but it's still good, or used and fair. Mine is a new item, so I'm just going to tap on this new. The next is to add your description. In this part, you are going to make sure you put all the details that concerns your product. I already have my written description, so I'm just going to paste it here to save time. So I'm just going to paste it. Then the next thing, your location. This is auto generated by Facebook, but you can edit it and add the location you want to add as well by tapping this edit button. So, and the next is more details. Maybe you want to add color to your product. What color? If your product has a specific color you want to add, you tap here and you input the color here. Then the next, hide from friends. If you want to hide this ad from your friends, what you do is just to on it here. When you on it here, this product will be hidden from all of your Facebook friends and they won't be able to see it. Then the next is to list in more places. Here is very important as well. Maybe you belong to different groups on Facebook. You just tap and select here, select the groups you belong to. You can select up to 20, as you can see here. As you can see in this place, you can select up to 20 groups. So you can select from here all of the groups you belong, up to 20. After selecting, you just tap on done, so that by the time you list this product on Marketplace, it will also be listed in those groups and it will help your product to go viral. So the next thing is this additional listing options. Not so much important, but if you need it, you can just tap it and see what is there. And that is it. We have finished filling all of our details. The next thing is to tap on the publish at the top here. Tap on publish and then we can see, just wait for it for a moment and your listed product will be active. Yeah, you can see it's now active, so your product is now live on Marketplace. That is it. But now let me show you again another thing that will interest you. Maybe you want to view your listed product. Tap on this profile icon here at the top here. If you tap on it, you will see every details concerning your listed items. In fact, a special profile for your Marketplace. This is it. You can see all of your listed items here. When you tap on this, your listings, you will see all your listed items here. And when you select any one of them, you are going to see more details about them. You can see if there's any. This is the one we just listed now. You can edit it. You can edit it if you want to. You can delete it, and then there are more details. You can do a lot here with it. And here you can see the insights, the clicks, the number of clicks, the number of saves, and the number of shares. So that is it about. Now, here are a few tips to help you sell faster on Facebook Marketplace. Tip 1. Respond to inquiries promptly. Buyers appreciate quick responses. Tip 2. Be courteous and professional in your communication. Tip 3. Arrange safe and convenient meetups. Public places are always a good option. Tip 4. Keep your listings updated. If something sells, mark it as sold. And that is it. Listing and selling on Facebook Marketplace is really that simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and happy selling. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos and tips. See you next time.